The Sunjoe 24-volt tiller kit is equipped with efficient dual steel blades that can effortlessly cultivate a path that is 4.25 inches wide and 6 inches deep in just one pass, making it ideal for preparing garden beds or loosening tough soil. With its powerful 24-volt 2.0 ampere-hour rechargeable lithium-ion battery, this tiller provides up to 30 minutes of runtime, allowing for uninterrupted gardening tasks. The durable design includes rugged 6-inch steel blades that easily cut through weeds and an adjustable telescopic pole that extends from 28.3 inches to 37.3 inches, offering a customized and comfortable reach. Ergonomically designed with an auxiliary handle, the Sunjoe tiller ensures better control and reduced strain, making gardening chores less taxing on your hands and back. The Sunjoe brand is known for designing and manufacturing innovative, high-quality consumer tools that are both affordable and effective, providing the right tool for every home and garden job. With the Sunjoe 24-volt tiller kit, you can enjoy a blend of functionality, durability, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for any gardening enthusiast.